It is Gobi on here again. So, yeah. And today, well, I was going to make a vlog video, but you know, I didn't. But today I went to Walmart and I got two, blind bags, blind boxes, whatever. But, yeah, but it's different, obviously, because, well, this is an egg. I got this, emoji surprise egg, chocolate treasure and stuff. The egg's not. But, yeah, and, this is not all you can collect inside. Oh, it's very nice. But there's, a lot you can collect, and, you can collect figurines. But, yeah, and also Squinkies. But I'll show you guys after that. Show you guys all about this. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below some video suggestions. Without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Let's go. And sorry I haven't been uploading a lot. I just don't know what to do. So, yeah. So, I'm going to be opening this Choco Surprise, Choco Treasure, actually, emoji thing from Walmart. Oh, no. So, sorry about that lighting, but I'm going to be opening this Choco, Treasure thingamabobsies. Put it. No. I want it. Okay, so, doesn't want to do that, so. And this is the emoji one. And stuff, you can collect, a lot of stuff. It's just being at home. And then, after we open this chocolate egg surprise, which it says, real milk chocolate, what will you find? I hope I find something really good. Then after we open that, we're going to be opening the Squinky Squashies. 2 hidden surprise Squinkies inside and gumball surprise thing. So, yeah, I'm so excited for these. So let's get started. So here's a 360 view, and there's 2 of these instead of just gumball machine thing. Small gumball machine kind of thing. So yeah, let's get started. So let's just open up this chocolate surprise egg because these both are just gonna be awesome. But yeah, I'm just gonna be opening this. And this was literally the only one that was that I found, so it's gonna be taking it out. Okay, so it is open, and I do have my trash can here. But so here's what the egg looks like. This is literally the only one I saw and that I could find, and probably the only one I have. So here's the box again. It's very cute. It's, why? I don't know why it does that, but yeah. So it has a pirate emoji thing on it. So comment down below if you guys want me to do some more of these surprise egg chocolate things. So this is literally my first ever chocolate surprise egg opening because I've never actually gotten one. But so here it is. So that's why I'm so excited for it. So I will be eating this, but not right now. Why won't this break? Maybe it might need a little bit. Tastes really good. I don't. So hopefully I get a really good one. So here it is. It's yellow and orange. So how do you? So I got it open. Here's the egg part. I will be washing this and probably using it again. Or using it. It's actually really good. Okay, so I see what I got. But yeah, chocolate's real good. So here's the like things you can get checklist. So it says collect all the fun treasures and Bendyman. You can get the Bendyman. It's at the top. As you can see, it's those things right there. Bendyman. They're sorry about that. They're arm spin, and then you can collect like figurines, which I got a figurine, and then you can collect stickers, bracelets, magnets, and 3D puzzles. Which, yeah. So I always keep my checklist in case I get another one and stuff. So yeah, and I see that I got this. So I got this. I wish they had names. That'd be actually really cute. I really wanted to get the poop emoji because I love poop emojis. Like, but I got this treasure chest. But I love this treasure chest. I don't know if you guys can even see that. But so I'm just gonna be taking it out of the packaging. Okay, yeah, so I took it out of the packaging and stuff. That would be cool if it opened, but it's this treasure chest and stuff. But yeah, they're really cute. This treasure chest is, and apparently these are at the Dollar General or the dollar store for $1. I will be looking for more of these because the chocolate is good and the figurines are so adorable. So yeah, this was the emoji surprise egg. Now onto the squinky squishies thingy. Okay, so I'm sorry. It's just really good chocolate. So here's the squinky squashies. Why is this thing a butthole? So yeah, I'm just gonna be opening this. Two hidden squinkies inside. So yeah, I have like blind bags that where you don't have to buy. Well, I like blind bags or blind boxes, whatever, that have 2 characters inside, so that you don't if you want to buy 2 of the blind bags, then if you want 2 of the blind bags, and then you won't have to even buy another one. You probably did not understand a word I said, but I know. Yeah, finally I got it. It's a little gumball machine stuff. Okay, so at the bottom there's a checklist, and here it is. Oh, it's like a. Just turn this. Just kidding. So, no, stay in there. So, oh, that was easy. Usually people have trouble getting them out. Well, I jinxed it. There we go. But I don't. But let me just show you this again. It says Squinkies right there. So here's the checklist. This is my first ever Squinkies one I've gotten in my life. But I'll tell you guys the ones I really want, since there's 2. This one isn't moving around a lot. This one is. Pink one is. Yeah, it is. But yeah. So here's the checklist. Our collector's guide. The blue is common, the pink is rare, and they all is ultra rare. So we have puppies right there. Ugh. Birthday party. No. Magic creatures right there. Picnic. Down under. Stuffed animals, ultra rare. Stuffed animals. Oh. And fur babies. So I'm going to tell you guys like the ones I really want. Okay, so I want to get one of the puppy ones. I want to get the Patty, and that's a bulldog since, well, never mind. And I also want to get Nifty Gifty. That's from the birthday party. The puppies. Yeah. I'm gonna open up the pink one first. Let's hope I get one of those. And if I don't, then I want one of the dragons, which is, wait, the Calypso or the Pita Picnic basket. So ready? Let's get to see what it is first. Oh, what is it? So I got this. Wow. And I looked for LOL surprise dolls, but I couldn't find them. So I have this one, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to find which one this is. It looks like a skunk, but I don't know. Okay, so this is Skunkaroo in green and white, and this is a common. And at the end, if I have time, I'll show you guys all the things I got. So now the blue one, which the blue one does not have anything over it. What the heck? You guys get to see what it is first. Okay. Okay guys, so I got Platty Patty. And yeah, this is a comment. So now I'm going to show you guys all the toys I got. I got this treasure chest. This isn't a toy, but and the Platty Patty and Skunkaroo. Yeah. So yeah, this is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below some video suggestions. So yeah. Bye. Peace.